Welcome to your Heart Healing Affirmations. This is Linda. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. And again, deep breath in, breathing in calm. And breathing out anything that feels heavy. Each breath helps you settle a little deeper into your body, a little deeper into peace. Notice your shoulders softening, your jaw releasing, the muscles around your eyes relaxing. Allow your whole body to rest in this moment, supported, safe, and held. Whatever has been happening, whatever you've been carrying, you can set it down now. This is your time that you've set aside just for you. There's nowhere to be. There's nothing you need to fix right now, just this breath, this moment. Feel your heart beginning to warm, as if a soft, healing light is glowing there, tender, steady, and loving. With each inhale, that light expands. And with each exhale, it soothes away the pain from the past. Let that light fill your chest up, your belly, your entire being. You are safe. And everything is going to be okay. You are supported, loved, and guided by the universe. And now, as you listen to these affirmations, allow every word to sink into that light within you, rebuilding, restoring, and reminding you of who you truly are. Now let's begin. It is safe to let go of what no longer serves my highest good. I release all attachment to what could have been. The universe is supporting me with every step that I take. Everything is unfolding perfectly for me. Every breath helps me soften and release the pain. I forgive myself for what I didn't know before. I honor the love that was and allow it to transform into wisdom. I release the energy of the past with compassion and grace. My worth does not depend on anyone else's ability to see it. I can love someone deeply and still choose to let them go. I give myself permission to stop suffering and to start truly living. I thank the past for what it has taught me. Everything is working out for my highest good and leading me to an even better path. I reclaim all the energy I gave away. I am enough. I am more than enough. I am love. I am gentle with myself as I heal. I comfort myself the way I wish others had comforted me. I honor my nervous system by choosing calm. I'm worthy of unconditional love. I forgive my past self. I was doing the very best that I could. The universe has my back, and I'm learning from its lessons. It is safe for me to trust life again. All of this is happening for my highest good. I am the safe home my heart has been seeking. I love and accept myself. I give myself the love I once looked for outside of me. And this next chapter of my life will be even more beautiful than I could have ever imagined. My heart is resting, healing, and refilling with light. I am whole, even as I continue healing. I am proud of how far I've come. I am lovable exactly as I am right now. I stand tall in who I am becoming. I am learning to see myself through the eyes of love and compassion. My confidence is growing, and it grows each time I choose myself. I am enough, always have been, and always will be. I no longer shrink myself to be loved by others. I am safe to be visible, authentic, and fully myself. I am confident, beautiful, and vibrant. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I'm worthy of deep, mutual, healthy love. I am reclaiming my joy and my personal power. My energy is magnetic when I am true to myself. I am capable, resilient, and stronger than I ever knew. I trust myself to make choices from wisdom and not fear. I am becoming the person I used to dream of being. I am excited for the life opening before me. Every day brings fresh and new possibilities and new beginnings. I trust the divine timing of my journey. My happiness is in my own hands, and I choose it daily. I create beauty and peace wherever I go. Love flows to me easily in many forms. My energy uplifts and inspires those around me. I attract people who truly respect and uplift me. I am open to miracles and beautiful new beginnings. My heart is expanding, healing, and opening again. I am free from needing anyone else's approval to be myself. I choose to live in harmony with myself and my unique path. God supports me in my healing and thriving, and I trust the plan that is opening up for me. My life is getting better and brighter every single day. I allow love, joy, and abundance to enter my life with ease. I am grounded, centered, and open to receive all that is meant for me. I no longer look back, as a bright future ahead is calling me forward. I am grateful for the strength I discovered through heartbreak. I am grateful for this sacred chance to rebuild an even better future for myself. I love who I am becoming more and more each day. My heart is open and ready for healthy love. I trust that love will find me in divine timing when the time is right. I am free to love deeply and completely without losing myself. I am radiating peaceful confidence and inner strength. I see every experience as an invitation to grow and evolve into the best version of me. I attract relationships that mirror my healed, authentic self. I am grateful for the profound lessons that love has taught me. I am whole and complete, here and now, exactly as I am. I am walking into the next chapter with grace and courage. My future is filled with love, peace, and deep purpose. I am love, radiant, beautiful, worthy, and free. All good things are coming to me now. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Let the truth of these affirmations settle into every cell in your body. A quiet, powerful knowing that stays with you long after this recording ends. Notice how you feel, a little lighter, a little softer, a little more deeply connected to yourself. And when you're ready, bring a gentle smile to your lips. Softly open your eyes and carry this calm confidence with you into the rest of your day.